Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Today we are going to be, sorry about the rain, I do like the sound of it though, must admit, on the roof. Today we're going to be putting on these. These are like Carnations, pinks, they're called, the UK, nickname from pinks. And these should all be centred. I should have probably about 40 there, which is great. 40 I think. So I'll get these out and we'll get onto the potting bench and I'll show you how I go about picking these out and potting these on. I will be using these 9cm green second-hand singular pots that I bought. I think I got them from eBay a few years ago. They've been really good. I think about 4 or 5 pence each. And we just keep them out with the frost indoors. They'll last you for a good few years. I've got some that I left out and they tend to go quite brittle, the plastic. But I'll just get this tray out. Here we go. Sit there, brilliant. Don't know if you can just see these here. Let's get these out of the way. It's my little potting bench here. Get these to the back. It's all done okay except for the one in the middle. That's a little bit damping off, but the rest look a-okay. I just fed them yesterday. You can see I've had a little bit of frost damage and they've dried out once or twice. They've been at the back of the grow bench, the lights. But they should all be fine. I'll just pick one out to show you the root system. I always tell a good plant its root system, how healthy it is. Get this out of here without breaking the plastic pot. Hopefully. Yeah, there we go. If you just see that. That's a nice white, that's what you want, nice white, not yellow, white new growth. That's lovely, that. So she'll just get some more water. This compost needs a little bit of water. Not to be soaking. I just want a little bit more moisture in it than it has got. Make it a little bit easier to put on then. Put these out the way, don't want to break any of those. Let's get some water, folks. Hope everybody's keeping well. A little bit more on top. I hope everybody's keeping fine here in the UK. We've had some really strange weather. It's been snowing a few days ago. We had like 1.5 foot, 2 foot of snow. And now it's warm again. So, it's all over the place. Okay, now let's add a little bit of water. Just give it a little mix. But yeah, when you get to this size, I love them because you can start seeing the plants themselves. And if you want, you can start even pinching them out now, which I'll show you when I put these on. Right, so we'll get these potted on. First of all, you want to fill your pot up, not right to the top. You break it, you don't want any air pockets in your compost. And then take your knife down the side like so, and gently pick out. And yeah, look at those. That is a really nice good root system there. Sorry about the rain, everybody. Don't know about you, but I really find it relaxing. Whether I'm in a caravan, tent or greenhouse, just the gentle noise on the roof sends me to sleep. Promise you I won't fall asleep while I'm making this video. Right then, that's that done. Just press it down, make sure the stem is at the same height that it was in your tray. Right. That's from when I had some other plants a few years ago. The Carnations, I absolutely love them. The scent is amazing and really good cut flowers in the summer. I like them in the kitchen and on the front windowsill. It really does give your house, your home, a really beautiful scent. And if you keep cutting, you should keep coming. So yeah, that one. Try and get one of these nice big ones. There we go. Look at that. That's absolutely spot on, that. This is a peat based compost. I know like using peat free. This just what I've got left. And I normally use, this has got cocoa coir mixed in with it as well. And I'll be buying some more cocoa coir in the next few weeks. I've got a lot more potting up to do. Wow, that rain's really coming down. But I'll show you, once these are done like this, what you can do is get down to leaf node, which is just there. And if you just see this, just snip that out there, and that will cause that to thicken up. And these side shoots all the way down, that will cause you to get a bigger and stronger plant, which is absolutely amazing for these. Like I said, this has gone from a packet of seeds. It's Carnation. What's on here? Giant. I call that double mixed. So yeah, Carnations, absolutely amazing. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse or garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like this video and other videos I do, please give me a like and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.